Do you have a single image of a character and you want to create multiple illustrations with different pose and environments? While keeping the style and the look of the character the same, this video is for you. With this latest AI, you can make it happen, and in this tutorial, I will show you the best workflow. All you need is a single image of a character and you end up with an entire story worth of illustration. Most consistent character guides shows you only how to do photorealistic images or really simple looking characters. But in this video, we will learn how to create consistent character for exciting and lifelike illustration, which has been super hard to do until now. I will show you the rest of the animation at the end of this video. So the first step is to get a consistent character with any 2D illustration you have. I will start with a female Star Wars illustration inspired character. I made her in Midjourney. You can get it in anywhere, and after that I will show you some of the examples of this Christmas glittering cartoon. This method I'm showing you works really well for non-human characters, and you will need a plain background for it. Next, you will need a single illustration of character into a complete character sheet with different poses. Now you could try to use AI image generator to expand the AI illustration to get more poses, but it's super hard to get consistency with the original image. The hairstyle, the color change plus is difficult to get the exact poses you want, and it's harder to maintain the consistent visual appearance. This is especially true if you are working with non-human character. All the little details start to change, like clothing and patterns. So instead, I'm going to use this AI generator to create some of these different movements and then extract the character sheets from these videos. So for this task, I'm going to use this website. They recently released an update of the best 2D animation in my own opinion. I'll put the link in the description of this video. So let's go to the video creation tab, and in the image to video interface, I will drag in the female character. Then in this prompt, we just want some simple moments into our characters a little bit and see them in different angles. A prompt like she turn and walk aside will work perfectly. And make sure you are using the ITV One Life model before generating the image to get the newest model. Then we will generate the video. Some movements get added to our characters, both consistency preserved super well in terms of clothing and physical appearance. I've generated some couple of different videos and different poses that I can add to my character sheet. Just simple like hand gesture and the body motion. When you have got the video generated, all you have to do is to download to your device. Next step, extract the image to create our character sheet. To do this, I'm going to be using this website where you can extract your image frame from video. In this video to GIF page, go to your video to PNG, and I will upload one of the AI generated pose videos here. Look through the poses and find one that looks more consistent. Some of them will be a bit boring or have a sight of deformation, but you find a couple of them that look pretty clean. I've also cropped some of the images to get headshots. This is not necessary, but you want to include some of the shots you like. So we are all set with our character sheet. Now it's time to go create our AI model to get a custom character. I'll be using this website, openart.ai. It's an AI image creation platform. Go down to the model tab, and inside select your own model. You will train a character model and you give it a name. Here, describe it briefly. So this part doesn't need to be detailed. I just put down an illustration of a female character with a light blue skin. The AI learned how to clip the clothing same from my images, and then let's upload our character photos. You can put 100 images here. There is no need for that. I can only use 7 to 10 images for most cases, and it worked perfectly fine. Then we can train our AI model. Within 10 minutes your video is done. By the way, if you've not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe if you want to see more useful videos like this. Back to the video, I've already got a couple of models trained here, so let's just create image from the characters with them. We can change the prompt and the setting on the left here. Most of it we just leave the same here. Then in this prompt we will discuss our character again. She got a blue skin and she's wearing a red leather jacket and black pants. We have her sitting down on the rug in a light green grass field. I will add some robot to the background. Let's also change the aspect ratio. So I want a wide image, so we'll turn up the wide of the image, and I will also create 3 different samples I can pick from. Let's see what comes up here. There's a pretty good variety of different poses, and our characters look great in them. We can download these pictures and scroll down a bit, and there are some options to upscale the image or create more variety. By the way, when you are prompting, you do not have to describe the clothing in the same way. On the left, I did a special ask to red jacket, and I actually generate a character wearing all black. It's a cool fit, but I do want a red jacket. So in the right, I added a red jacket to the prompt. The generation doesn't look similar to the other poses. It doesn't like to generate a similar poses as the training image. You see some of these images with a sinking poses with her lips, but it's super flexible to generate new poses as long as the prompt from them, like sitting down or pointing her finger. When you are done with those images, you can also turn them into an AI using the exact same process that I showed you earlier. So back inside, I will upload this one on her motorcycle, and in the prompt I will put this: she turns and rides her motorcycle very fast. The prompt do take a little bit to experiment. I will put a link in the description to guide you on how to prompt. Now let's take a look at the complete animation on our characters.
Of indulgence, power, and making an unforgettable impression. From the moment I embraced the dark side, I learned one thing. If you're going to conquer the galaxy, you'd better look good doing it. The Jedi love their stoic nonsense, but I prefer a more theatrical approach. Red lips, black leather, and a lightsaber.
For the Gliss cartoon, I followed the exact same process, starting to generating some AI videos with basic movements. That consistency in the character here is really massive. Then I have a set of character image as reference. Just some basic poses are good enough. And finally, I trained an AI image model. Just like the female character is totally a different style and is non-human character. But this method works perfectly fine and will get some amazing looking results that completely resemble our original character. If you want a deeper dive on how you can use OpenArt AI to create your own consistent character using AI, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.